oh boy, we've got another DIY project going on, which means Mom comes up with an idea and Dad executes it. Because we used to have the drapes that belonged to the valances over the windows. Then Mom found these, which she had in the garage for a couple of years. Anyways, so these were perfect, but they weren't long enough. So Dad had to take them down and stretch them out. Yeah, so here, as you can see, he just has to stretch them out and stick them back up. Amazing how Mom makes it sound so easy, right? So anyways, we are the quality control people. Yep, that would be me and Camping Jack. Jack, what are you doing under there? You're not really a camping guy. You know, camping, roughing it, you're not the guy. So anyways, we are checking it out. Maddie, what do you think? What's this? Yeah, Maddie. Maddie, please, you're supposed to be on duty here. Come here. What do you think? Where's Jack? Where's Jack? Anyways, so stay tuned for the rest of the project. Uh-oh. Apparently the supervisor's not so happy with what's going on. And, oh, good girl, look up. Yep, check that all out, because that's going to look so much different tomorrow. Good girl. Good cat. Stay tuned. I think we're just about there to have some shade, because it's really hot in this room, because we don't have any backflow air thingies or whatever Dad calls them, air returns. So we've got drapes, which we've added from Facebook Marketplace, and now we're just going to stretch these guys out and we're ready to go. Oh, I think Jack has given it the seal of approval that we're ready to move on to the next project. What do you think, Jack? Are we good? Okay, I think we just have to reward the inspector with, hold on, his approval. Jack, hang in there. Jack, Mom's hand's now stuck in. Anyways, we'll figure that part out. Okay. Thank you, Jack. Thank you, Maddie. Thank you, Dad. Onward we go.